up this week 11.7%, while new contracts rose 2.6% from last report, and prices are up 5.45% from last year. It's Friday, May 24th, 2024. Welcome to the unofficial start of summer in Maryland, the Memorial Day weekend. It's not just about a 3-day weekend, barbecues, beaches, and mountains. Memorial Day is a time of reflection for those men and women who gave their life in service of our country. Take a moment to reflect on that this weekend. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty. This is the Maryland Eastern Shore Report. There are 1,601 homes listed for sale, and 101 homes are expected on the market soon. 166 homes went under contract at 14 days before contract this report. 169 sold over the past week at 98% list-to-sold ratio and in 21 days. Homes for rent are at 73, and the median lease rate dropped again this week, landing at $2,000 per month. And that's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, May 24th, 2024. Our offices are closed for the holiday. Enjoy your holiday, stay safe, and thanks so much for tuning in. I'll see you next week. Take care.